Hello everyone! I'm Alianza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry guys, ako yung natagalan dahil mayroon lang akong inaayos. Inabot talaga ng almost 1 year kung inayos yung kunting problema lang. Welcome back guys to my channel. I'm back! In this channel, we are talking more about health tips and health benefits. Gusto ko lang ipamahagi sa inyo ang kunti kong kaalaman tungkol sa mga health natin. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pinutin ang notification bell dyan sa baba para updated naman kayo kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Kung mayroon kayong mga tanong o curious kayo o mayroon kayong gustong malaman sa maabot ng makakaya ko, sasagutin ko yan. Mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Today's video guys, we will talk about sex during pregnancy. Ang topic natin guys is sex. Okay or not okay during pregnancy? If you want to get pregnant, you have sex. But what about sex while during pregnancy? While your developing baby is protected by amniotic fluid in your uterus, as well as by the strong muscle of the uterus itself. Sexual activity won't affect your baby because your baby is protected by amniotic fluid and by the strong muscle of the uterus. As long as you don't have complications such as preterm labor or placenta problems. However, pregnancy can cause changes in your level of comfort and sexual desires. Some are asking having sex during pregnancy can provoke, as far as I read, no or it will not. Mostly, why miscarriages happen because the fetus is not developing normally. Kaya minsan, nakukunan ang mga babae kung mag-sex sila dahil hindi normal yung pagbubuntis nila. So, yan ang binabawal niyang pag-sex during pregnancy. What are the best sexual position during pregnancy? Maraming gustong malaman yan. As long as you are comfortable, most sexual positions are okay. Oral sex is also safe during pregnancy. As your pregnancy progresses, experiment to find what works best. Bahala na kayong mag-experiment kung anong ikakaligaya nyo at anong ikakasaya nyo sa mga posisyon nyo during pregnancy. So, let your creativity take over as long as you keep mutual pleasure and comfort in mind. So, are condoms necessary or having sex during pregnancy? Having a sexually transmitted infection, STI, during pregnancy can cause serious health problems for you and the baby. Kung ikaw ay buntis tapos nakipag-sex ka sa may taong infected ng STI or sexually transmitted disease, maapektuhan ka or yung baby mo sa loob. Kaya kailangan ng kondom. Avoid all forms of sex, vaginal, oral, and anal. And if your partner has an active or recently diagnosed sexually transmitted infection or STI. So, kung mayroon kang partner na mayroong STI or sexually transmitted infection, hindi siya pwedeng makipag-sex sa iyo o sa asawa niya na buntis. Use only condom if you are not in mutually monogamous relationship. You choose to have sex with a new partner during pregnancy. There are times when sex should be avoided during pregnancy because breast stimulation, female orgasm, and certain hormones in semen called prostaglandins can cause uterine contraction. May mga panahon na binabawal talaga ang sex during pregnancy. Kaya nakukunan yung pregnant women. Your healthcare provider or midwife might recommend you by avoiding sex if you have unexplained vaginal bleeding, you are leaking amniotic fluid, your cervix begins to open prematurely, cold cervical incompetence, and your placenta partly or completely covers your cervical opening like placenta previa. You have a history of preterm labor or premature labor. Yan ang mga binabawal mag-sex kung hindi mga complication ng pagbubuntis mo. But if you think you don't want sex during pregnancy, it's okay. Share your needs and concern with your partner in an open and loving way. If sex is difficult, unappealing, or off limits, try cuddling, kissing, or massage. Maraming paraan guys para maibsan yung desire mo sa sex. Kasi minsan may mga buntis na ayaw nilang makipag-sex. Yan lang ang topic ko guys about the sex during pregnancy. Kung okay ba or not okay. So sana guys, may natutunan kayo sa topic ko. So hanggang dito na lang tayo sa topic natin about sex during pregnancy. Sana may nakuha kayong aral kung ano ang okay at hindi okay sa sex during pregnancy. At kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin tungkol sa topic na ito, mag-comments lang kayo sa bababa at sasagutin ko kayo sa abot ng makakaya ko. Sa lahat ng nanonood, subscribers or non-subscribers, mga silent viewers ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana panoorin nyo ako uli dahil isang taon akong nawala dito sa channel ko. Pero papilitin ko, tuloy-tuloy na itong channel ko na ito. Pero bago ako magpaalam guys, lalo na sa mga bago pa dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated naman kayo lagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Pangalagaan natin ang health natin guys kasi yan lang ang tanging kayamanan na regalo ni God sa atin. So sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video kong ito. May welcome back topic sa channel ko. Bye guys and God bless po sa ating lahat. Love you all!